Hi, everyone. So this is really interesting. The video numbers aren't there and the audio numbers aren't showing up, but we are live, so I'm going to go with it. I just think it's Mercury retrograde, and I usually get some sort of laptop issues. I'm just grateful that we can still meet on Facebook Live, and I am shuffling the cards. Um, and I'm sorry, I'm really quiet for someone who talks a lot. Um, so we have a 3 card reading. I have the energy expansion card. We have I am a clear channel for spirit. And we have my DNA is activating its full potential to heal and rejuvenate my body. So I did want to say that today is Juneteenth, and it's the day in American history where slavery was abolished in the South and in the North. The war ended, and it was declared that all the slaves were free and all the African American people were free. Um, so it's a very important day in American history. Um, and I just wanted to recognize that. And when we think about sound, I just want to say that sound is really a changing agent. When you know that you're not feeling good and you know that you're trying to rid yourself of a pattern and you're bringing it up and you don't know how to get away from it, or you feel like it's not releasing completely and you're not really sure what you can do. Sound is something that can help you release, and it's an excellent way to clear your chakras, to clear anything from your energy. Just by listening to sound, it can change your frame of mind. And I just wanted to get that out there. So, for today's sound session, and it will just be a sound session, um, I'm going to be playing the gold ZenTube, and it'll be for a few minutes. Um, and I'm trying to bring in messages. However, there don't seem to be many coming through right now. So, what I will say is for those of you who are operating heavy machinery or driving a vehicle, please listen to the sound later. And let's just sit back and allow the music to help us release whatever is coming through for us to release. Releasing triggers, balancing energy, aligning to the zero field in your body. and balancing all your energy through your whole system and container, all the way out to your physical environmental space, your energy bodies, your aura, and your physical environmental space. And so let's bring in our higher selves into our body. Let's connect into Mother Earth with our feet chakra and pull Mother Earth energy into the body. Let's bring all the beings of light that we work with to surround us, support us, nurture us, sending us love and light throughout our day. And let's ask the angels to pour in the beautiful golden white light of Source from the golden sun above our head into our crown of our head and our crown chakra. Just feeling our whole chakra core filling up with Mother Earth's energy and Source energy and higher self energy. And feeling the body from the crown of the head to the toes and soles of your feet, through your shoulders and down your arms and your fingertips, filling up with your higher self, Mother Earth, and Source energy. And we begin now to just release the triggers, balance the energy, taking it out into the energy bodies, from the physical body to the energy body, to the aura, to your physical environmental space, balancing to the zero field, and just allowing any patterns, any negative energy to be released from your energy container, system, energy flow. We say thank you to Source. We say thank you to Mother Earth. We say thank you to the beings of light who surround us, support us, nurture us, and send us love and light. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Amen. Jai Bhagwan Ki. And so it is. And we slowly come back into our bodies, start shifting, moving in our seat, wiggling our fingers and our toes, taking some deep breaths and being in the body. And when you're ready, open your eyes. I want to say thank you for being here this Friday. All my energy back to me, all your energy back to you. We are in our sacred spaces and places and time and dimensions, and we are disconnected. And I'm very happy that you are here with me today. And I went into my intuition and my guidance, and it was telling me in the silence that I just need to put energy out there that my next appointment with Core Synchronism be earlier than Saturday. So I'm putting it out there for an earlier appointment than Saturday, hoping for a Thursday or even a Friday, late afternoon. Because I just feel like, I don't know, there's still some disalignment. So I just want, because I tried to do a full on stretch and I think I gave myself a headache. So, and I don't come by headaches very quickly. So that just felt weird to me. I don't actually have any pain in the shoulder at all today. But I think I may have pushed it when I tried to fully stretch my whole body. um, so there you go. But it has been a day after, which is like totally what's fooling with my mind. So I need to get out of my mind. And maybe I just need some self-care and a bath, a sea salt bath. So we shall see. I'm declaring my day uh, because of the DNA activation. And I'm receiving because I'm a clear channel of spirit. Um, that I need a sea salt bath and I need to play with my intuition a little bit more. So I will do that. And I hope you all have a wonderful day and a fantastic weekend, despite all the energies that will be around us. I think it's going to be a self care weekend too. Saturday is solstice, summer solstice day, and Sunday, the 21st, is new moon and solar eclipse day. Thank you, Clara. Lots of water too. Yes. So, just a reminder today is Juneteenth, and I've been looking into the history of it a lot because I honestly didn't know much about it. It's always good to be just a little informed of what history has to say. And then we can bring in the energy to clear it and to heal it and to honor it. All right, guys. Have a great weekend. Bye.